Hello, my name is Anastasia Gores, and today I would like to show you a simple workout for lower back relief. Having problems and pain in lower back is one of the most aggravating things, and you know that it's really difficult to move or to get your day started when you just feel discomfort and pain in this area. And most people, they do feel this pain at one point of their life or another, and sometimes it can be a sign of a serious illness or a serious injury. So it's really important to get your lower back checked out by a doctor before you start any exercise program at all. But most of the time this lower back pain is just a result of lifestyle, bad posture, long hours of sitting or standing, and just maybe not very good physical fitness. So if you are suffering from lower back pain because of those mild reasons, not anything that needs immediate attention by a doctor, then I would like to present this simple workout to you. We'll get started on all fours. If you have any knee issues, make sure that you have a little bit of a padding, like towels under your knees. The same thing for your wrists. If you have any wrist issues and it's difficult for you to stay in this position, roll up a few towels and put them under your wrists, or make fists and stay like here. I'm gonna stand on my hands. Open up your knees as wide as your hips. Put your hands right under your shoulders. Keep looking straight down, lengthening your neck, the crown of your head reaching straight forward, your tail reaching straight back. A little warm up. Take a big inhale. On the exhale, round your back, gently drop your head down and increase the space in your lower back. On the inhale, lift up just a little bit. On the exhale, again, drop your tail and your head down, look between your legs, and inhale, come up, raise your tail gently, and again, exhale down, and inhale up. And let's do this one more time. Exhale down, and inhale up, and find your neutral position, your tail reaching back, the crown of your head reaching straight forward. Next, keep both knees down. The next exercise is called a tail wag. Lift one foot off the floor. Imagine that this foot is your tail. So you're going to look at your tail from one side, bending in your waist, not in your neck, and then you're going to look at your toe from the other side. And go in a smooth, gentle motion. Don't jerk. The slower you go, the better it is for your lower back. Good. Keep going. Gentle movement in your waist. Make sure that your lower back stays in this neutral flat position. Don't flatten, don't sag down, don't arch up, just stay nice and neutral. One more time with this leg. And bring it down. And lift the other foot up. Again, pretend that it's your tail. Look at your toe from one side. Look at your toe from the other side. And one. And the other. And again, one. Two more. Good. And bring your foot down. And gently lower yourself down all the way on the floor. Put your hands down. And you can put your head on your hands. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Now imagine that there is an ice cube right under your navel, and you're trying to move your navel away from that ice cube. You're engaging your abs just a little bit, keeping them there. Curl your toes under And imagine that your heels are windshield wipers. Move your windshield wipers to one side and to the other side. And keep going side to side, letting your knees and your hips follow the movement. Again, releasing your lower back, making this movement nice and gentle. Do it 2 more times. Last one. And just come back into neutral. Release your feet down. We're moving to one leg lift. Flex one foot and lift it up a little bit and come down and lift and down. You're strengthening the muscles around your lower back. If you're feeling any pain in this position, please just skip this exercise. And lift and down and lift down. Think that you're trying to reach your heel all the way to the wall behind you. 2 more this leg. And come down. Flex another foot. Still think about that navel on that ice cube under your navel. Lift and down. Keep your shoulders relaxed. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring both knees down. Gently lift yourself up to all fours again for opposite arm and leg lifts. Good. Keep your hands right under your shoulders, your knees as wide as your hips. Now on the inhale, slide the opposite arm and leg out. And on the exhale, come in. And inhale, slide. Exhale, come in. This is a gentle strengthening exercise for your back and for your core. Come in. 1 more like this. Good. If you're feeling strength in your body today, let's try to lift that arm and leg up and slowly down and come in. Go slow, slide and lift. Hold in this position for a second. Come down and in. And again, slide and lift, down and in. Try to keep your body from rocking side to side. Keep your back as still as possible. 1 more each side. Down. Good. Keep stretching yourself into 2 opposite directions. Come down. And good. Good. And let's go down on your back. Come all the way down. Keep your knees bent. Feet as wide as your hips. Your arms by your sides. If you need, you can put a little pillow under your head if you feel a little bit more comfortable like that. Take a big inhale. And on the exhale, press your lower back all the way into the floor. On the inhale, arch. And on the exhale, press it down. And inhale, arch. And again, exhale. Slowly press it down. And arch. When you press, think that your hips are trying to move away from you. And up. So again, you're getting that length in your lower back and gentle warm up. Let's do 1 more. Press it down and lift and come back into neutral position. For neutral position, there should be a little bit of space under your lower back. So imagine that ants can crawl under it. Not more, not less. Arms by your sides, we're going into bridging. Take a big inhale. On the exhale, flatten your lower back down and gently lift your hips up, keeping your rib cage down. Inhale at the top, and on the exhale, slowly put your vertebrae back down. And again, inhale here, and exhale, flatten your lower back into the mat, lift up. Think about reaching your hips and your tail away from your rib cage. Inhale at the top, and on the exhale, slowly decelerate down. And again, inhale and exhale up. This time, stay here and imagine that your hips are going down the steps. You're going to drop one hip and the other hip, and one hip, another, going down until you reach the floor. Inhale at the bottom again. On the exhale, lift and start going down one hip at a time, letting your lower back rest here. Inhale and exhale up. Contract your abs, contract your core muscles, and that's going to be the last time. And all the way down. Good. Straighten up one leg towards the ceiling. Most likely your hamstrings will be rather tight right now, so you don't have to keep your leg completely straight. Just feel wherever it's comfortable. You don't feel a very hard pull in your hamstrings. Keep your foot a little bit flexed. Make sure that your hips stay even on the floor. You're not lifting one up. And on the inhale, you're going to lower one leg and exhale, lift. And inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. Start with small lower lifts. Don't go too low, and only if you feel strength in your body today, you can go all the way down right above the floor, and on the exhale, all the way up. And inhale all the way down, keeping your hips still, and exhale all the way up. Again, think about contracting your abs, keeping everything here very tight, and lift. Two more down, and as you lift, try to lengthen your leg a little bit up more. Last one, and reach and down, and last one, just reach, bend your knee a little bit, put both hands under your thigh, straighten up the leg, and just feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings. Again, don't pull yourself up too much. Make sure that there is still that neutral space in your lower back. You're not lifting your tail up like this. It's going to only damage your lower back. Keep yourself nice and neutral here, and keep pulling your leg in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend this knee, put it all the way down, and we'll do the other side. Again, gently bring the knee in towards your chest, and then straighten it up as much as it's comfortable for you. On the inhale, go down a little bit and up. Start with a small range of motion. One side might be tighter or more painful than the other one. That's completely natural. So just listen to your body and go only as low and as straight as it's comfortable for you. Let's do 4 with your maximum range of motion, and lift. Reach your heel out and trying to lengthen your leg as much as possible. 2 more. Keep your hips still. Last one. And hold it up here. Bend your knee a little bit. Put both hands behind your thigh. Straighten up the leg as much as possible. Hold this stretch. Make sure that you're stretching your glute and your hamstring. You shouldn't be feeling anything in your lower back, except maybe for a very, very gentle pull. And hold again for 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend this knee. Put it all the way down. Open up your arms to the sides like a T shape. Drop one knee to the side. let the other one close on top of it, and look in the opposite direction for a gentle stretch. Inhale. On the exhale, bring your knees up one at a time. Let's go to the other side. Bring one knee down, the other one on top of it, and look in the opposite direction. Again, inhale here, and on the exhale, lift both knees up. And if you feel comfortable, just gently drop both knees down to one side and lift them up. And drop them to the other side and lift and drop and lift. Again, letting your lower back really release here, letting it twist side to side, rock, gentle motion to get all those muscles that are very tight loosened. Let's do one more. And good. And we're done with our workout. You can gently lift up, or you can stretch here. Just straighten up your legs, arms over your head, and breathe deeply. Big inhale and big exhale. And again, inhale and exhale. When you're ready to lift up, rock to one side, put one hand in front of you, and lift up through the side. No sudden moves, no pain, only comfort and release for your lower back. Well, thank you for doing this workout with me. Just stick to it. Do it about 3-5 times a week or even more, in the morning or in the evening, and I promise your lower back will be feeling much better very soon. Thanks.